Hello everyone. Let me do the problem, the solving a differential equation using Laplace transform. This is a different type of differential equation that I am going to deal with, because on the right hand side you can find that it is a step function. Now let me start doing this. See, given y double dash plus 3y dash plus 2y is equal to g of t, and this g of t is a step function given by, it takes the value 1 for t belonging to 0, 1 and is equal to 0 for 1 less than or equal to t. It is defined like this: for g of t, it is up to 1, so it is defined here. It is 1, see, g of t is equal to 1, after then it becomes 0. 1. See, 0 to 1, it takes the value 1 here. It is 1. Then after that, see this one, 0 to 1, it takes the value 1. After that, it takes the value 0. See, it takes value 0. So this is how this step function is defined, and for this we have to find. Let me write. See, we can write this g of t as 1 into ut of 0 minus ut of 1. This is nothing but u of 0, it is a ut of t minus 0 minus u of t minus 1. Therefore, L of g of t, when you take this in Laplace transform, L of u of t minus 0 minus L of u of t minus 1, this is equal to, so this is nothing but your, this is u t minus 0, so this will become e to the, this is e to the power of 0 by s minus, it is e to the power of minus s by s, that is equal to 1 by s minus e to the power of minus s by s. Now, therefore, L of, I will write L of y double dash plus 3, I will write taking this thing, Laplace transform on both sides. Take Laplace transform on both sides. You will get L of y double dash will be s square y of s minus s of y of 0 minus y dash of 0 plus 3s into y of s minus 3 y of 0 plus 2 y of s is equal to, see, L of g of t. See, L of g of t. See, L of g of t is 1 by s minus e to the power of minus s by s. Call this as your e. Using e. Using e. So this is nothing but, say, in this place, y of 0 is 0. So this is 0. This is 0. So this on simplification gives y of s into s square plus 3s plus 2 is equal to, so this is plus, see, this is plus 1. This is minus 1, y dash of 0, this is 1, so minus 1 is equal to 1 by s minus e to the power of minus s by s. This, that is y of s into s plus 1 into s plus 2 is equal to, say, I will take this up, 1 by s plus 1 minus e to the power of s, that is equal to s plus 1 divided by s minus e to the power of minus s by s. So this gives y of s equal to, it is s plus 1 divided by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2 minus e to the power of minus s into s plus 1 into s plus 2. That is equal to, see, s plus 1 and s plus 1 goes off, giving you s plus 2 minus e to the power of minus s divided by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2. So this implies L of y of t equal to s by s plus 2 minus e to the power of minus s divided by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2. This implies L, see, this y of t is equal to L minus 1 of s, this is s plus 1 goes off, see, this is wrong. This goes off, see, s plus 1 goes off, s into s plus 2, you are getting this L minus 1 of, this is L minus 1 of 1 by s into s plus 2 minus L minus 1 of e to the power of minus s divided by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2. Call this as 1. So you see that what is that I have done here is, this is the definition of a step function. Laplace transform of the step function is also I have written here. E to the power of 0, e to the power of 0 in the minus 0, you put 0. So e to the power of 0 is 1 by s. For this it is, see, for this it is e to the power of minus s by s. For that it is 0. So e to the power of 0 is 1, so 1 by s. So the Laplace transform of this step function is 1 by s minus e to the power of minus s by s. Now I take the Laplace transform of this. This is the Laplace transform. Then I get this in the place of L of gt. I substitute this here, and this is s plus 1 into s plus 2 factorization. Therefore, y of s is equal to, I take this minus 1 to the other side. So you get s plus 1 divided by this. So when you do the simplification, you get L of y of s is equal to s by s plus 2 minus, this is not s by s plus 2, it is 1 by s into s plus 2. 1 by s into s plus 2. So you see that this is nothing but, and now y of t is equal to L minus 1 of this. Find the inverse Laplace transform of this. Find the inverse Laplace transform of this, and you get the answer. Now my job is to find the value of this and find the values. I will start one by one. Just see how I do this. See, I will take this. See, 1 by s into s plus 2, that will be equal to, let a by s plus b by s plus 2. This implies a into s plus 2 plus b into s is equal to 1. Put s is equal to 0. S is equal to implies this is 0, this is 0. So you get 2a is equal to 1, a is equal to half. So s is equal to minus 2, this will be 0. So minus 2b is equal to 1. So b is equal to minus half. So what is that you will get here? So this is equal to half 1 by s minus half of 1 by s plus 2. Therefore, L minus 1 of 1 by s into s plus 2 is equal to half into L minus 1 of 1 by s minus half into L minus 1 of 1 by s plus 2, that is equal to 1 by s. This is half into 1 minus half into e to the power of minus 2t. Call this as your 2. Call this as your 2. So I am able to get the inverse Laplace transform of this. Now let me do this. See, I'll take this. See, let 1 by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2 is equal to a by s plus b by s plus 1 plus c by s plus 2. This implies a into s plus 1 into s plus 2 plus b into s into s plus 2 plus c s into s plus 1 is equal to 1. So this implies, so put s is equal to 0. S is equal to 0 means this is 0. This becomes 0, this becomes 0, is 2a is equal to 1, a is equal to half. Put s is equal to minus 1. When you put s is equal to minus 1, this is 0 and this is 0, it is minus 1 means 2, it is minus b. Minus b is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1. Put s is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 means 0, this is 0. Minus 2 means minus 1, minus 2 is 2c. C is equal to 1, c is equal to half. So what do you get here then? So what is that? So this will be equal to, therefore L minus 1 of 1 by s. Therefore in this place, therefore you can write this as, therefore L minus 1 of e to the power of minus s divided by s plus 1 into s plus 2 is equal to, it is L minus 1 of e to the power of minus s into a is 1 by 2, 1 by s minus 1 by s plus 1 plus half into 1 by s plus 2. So this will be equal to, see, so this is L minus 1 of e to the power of minus s divided by, see, this I write it here like this. So this is equal to, I will write it here, L minus 1 of e to the power of minus s into 1 by s plus e to the power of minus 1 into e to the power of minus s. It is half into e to the power of minus s by this plus L minus 1 of e to the power of minus s into 1 by s plus 1. It is minus plus L minus 1 of e to the power of minus s half s plus 2. So this will be equal to, so this is nothing but half can be taken outside. This e to the power of minus is nothing but your step function. The inverse of it is u of t minus 1 and the inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s is, it is 1 minus, it is u of t minus 1. Inverse transform of this is minus t, but this is a step function is coming, therefore t minus 1 plus e, this is half into, it is e to the power of minus 2 into t, but the step function is coming, therefore this is, I'll write this as c. Step function is coming. So this is half into ut minus 1 into e to the power of minus t minus 1. Therefore 1 becomes, so I have found this, call this as your 3. Call this as your 3. Therefore 1 becomes y of t is equal to, it is 2 plus 3. What is your 2 now? It is half minus half into e to the power of minus 2t plus ut minus 1. I take this ut minus 1 outside into, within brackets, half minus e to the power of minus t minus 1 plus half into e to the power of minus t minus 1. Therefore, the differential, that is, the answer is y of t is equal to half minus half into e to the power of minus 2t plus the step function u of t minus 1 within brackets half minus e to the power of minus t minus 1 plus half into e to the power of minus 2t minus 1. So here what is that I have done here? I split this into partial fractions, and therefore L minus 1 of this will be L minus 1 of the first fraction minus the second fraction. This is 1 by s is nothing but the inverse Laplace transform is 1 of half into 1, and the inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s plus 2 is e to the power minus 2t. I am calling this as my 2, and then I am taking this 1 by s into s plus 1 by s plus 2. I go for splitting into partial fractions, by which I am writing this as this, and I am finding the value of a to be half, b is equal to minus 1, and c is equal to half, substituting the values and taking the inverse Laplace transform with e to the power of minus s. This e to the power of minus s merely tells me that it is a step function, which is nothing but u of t minus 1. Therefore, half of u of t minus 1 into the inverse Laplace transform 1 by s is 1, and here u of t minus 1 and the inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s plus 1 is e to the power of minus t, but this is defined in the step function, therefore this is e to the power of minus t minus 1 plus half into u of t minus 1, and this is nothing but e to the power of minus 2t, but this is defined in the step function, therefore this is minus 2 into t minus 1. Now substitute in the equation number 1, which is nothing but y of t. Therefore y of t is equal to half minus half e to the power of minus 2t plus u of t minus 1 within brackets half minus half e to the power of minus t minus 1 plus half into e to the power of minus 2t minus 1 within the bracket. This is answer. So this is how we did. This is an important problem. Take care of it. Thank you.